Nakabukas na. Strawberry and ano to? Strawberry and cream ang pinadala. Actually, last week pa to. So, strawberry and cream. Ito yung pinadala ni Chris's Kitchen na patikim. And this one, strawberry. Mahilig si Inay Ara sa strawberry. No? Siya yun talagang mahilig sa strawberry. So, kaya ito, pinapa-deliver ko rin. No? Bilang patikim. Dahil gusto ni Inay Ara, gusto ko rin. Ganun ang rule. Okay? So, ito yan. So, this one is not strictly low carb per se. Because if you're going to check yung kanilang nutrition facts for this, it's mid carb. But it can be a part of a low carb meal. Pag sinabi mo low carb meal, it can have mga high carb or mid carb so long as pasok dun sa whatever low carb threshold mo. 20 grams lang akong total low na carb. Something like that. So pasok siya as long as you know what you're doing. So this is mid carb. Okay? As for the price, it's less than 500 pesos for the entire can, no? So yeah. Okay? So if you want to have an LC-fied ice cream na strawberry, so this is one of the ice creams no na pwede nyong tikman. So basically, it's pretty much the same ice cream, no? Yung texture, yung lamig, syempre. Tapos, yung lasa, definitely strawberry dahil meron talaga siyang strawberry. Okay? So, if you are into strawberries na ice cream, this is something you can try. Okay? So, if you want to try it, bili na. Oh, by the way, 50% discount. There's a special discount if you're a member of LCIF Association pagka bumili kayo sa Chris's Kitchen. Okay?